Imagine being in a dark room, trying to find a small ball with just a flashlight. You can make the room partially bright by turning on the flashlight, but not fully lit. This is similar to the challenge scientists faced when they explored the tiniest parts of our world, like atoms. Once upon a time, a brilliant scientist named Werner Heisenberg asked a curious question: can we really know everything about an atom at once? He thought about this because he realized that the more accurately we know where a particle like an electron exists, the less we know about how fast it is moving. This is not because our tools aren't good enough, but because it is a fundamental property of nature. Heisenberg's discovery was like a puzzle that couldn't be solved with the clear pieces you might be used to. Instead, it was like trying to get a picture with muddy glasses. He found out that when you try to pinpoint exactly where an electron is, its speed becomes uncertain, and vice versa. It's like trying to look at something very tiny and fast-moving through a magnifying glass. Focus too much on where it is, and you miss how it moves. So, what does the uncertainty principle tell us? It reveals that in the world of the very small, like in the realm of particles such as electrons, there are limits to what we can know. Think of a tiny, magical fairy that flutters about. You can see her glow, but pinpointing her exact location while she's in motion feels almost impossible. She's sometimes here, sometimes there, and that's exactly how electrons behave. They exist in a cloud of probabilities rather than at a single, fixed position or speed. Heisenberg's uncertainty principle opened a window to the mystifying world of quantum mechanics, a field that changed how scientists understand the universe. It taught us that knowing everything about a tiny particle at one time is beyond reach, and that the universe has its own secrets that keep even the cleverest of scientists guessing. And so, the story of Heisenberg and his uncertainty principle reminds us of the magic and mystery that still surrounds so much of what seems so small.